Hello and welcome back to Fusion 360 beginners exercises. Today let's just try out to make this simple model with the help of Fusion 360. So I'm in the Fusion 360. Simply what we can do, we can just simply add a rectangle of 38 with a width of, you can calculate from here, 60. So simply I will click on the sketch by choosing this horizontal plane, and I will go for a corner rectangle like this by just clicking somewhere here, and I will go for the dimensions. The dimensions becomes, this one is 38 and this one becomes 60, right? And what I can do actually, I can actually do to add a circle at the middle and just drag it upward here, and I'll just trim this, and you can just hit OK, right? And after this you can extrude this up to 20 mm, extrude, and this time define the distance 20, and I will simply hit OK. Next, what we can do, we can simply add a circle of radius 30. For that, choose this plane and just click on create sketch, go for circle and draw circle somewhere here, and now go for the concentric, select this one and this one, define the dimension, choose this circle and define 30. I will hit OK. Now go for extrude, select this region, drag it down or select the distance to all, make sure you choose cut. OK. Next, to create the simple cutout of 10 distance, for that again I will choose this plane, sketch on it, add a corner rectangle like this, and I'll just dimension this from here, somewhere here. This is 15, while this one becomes 30, and you can simply finish the sketch by just defining this length of 10 mm. Finish, and again select this region and just flip the direction downward and OK. You can just home this for now and click on appearance and just click on the pins, or simply you can go for the mirror and just drag this one, close this for now. See? So hope you enjoyed the tutorial. If you're first time on my channel, make sure to subscribe to the channel and just wait for the upcoming tutorials. Let's boom.